Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're staring at that frustrating error code 2H on your Maytag washing machine and wondering what's going on, you're in the right place. This error typically signals an issue with the water heating system, like a faulty heating element or a sensor problem, which can stop your machine from operating properly. Don't worry. I'll walk you through some simple fixes that could save you a service call and get your laundry routine back on track. First off, safety is our top priority. Before you do anything, unplug your washing machine from the wall to avoid any electrical risks. Give it a few minutes to fully power down. This resets the system and prevents accidents. Now, let's dive into troubleshooting. Start by checking for any blockages. Inspect the water inlet hoses and the drain pump filter for lint, debris, or soap buildup, as these can trigger the 2H error. If you find anything, clean it out thoroughly with a soft brush or cloth. Next, take a look at the heating element. You'll need to consult your Maytag user manual to safely access this part, but basically, check for any visible damage or mineral deposits. If it's dirty, gently clean it with a mild detergent and warm water. Remember, if you're not handy with appliances, it's okay to skip this and call a pro. Another quick fix is to perform a full reset. Unplug the machine for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle on a low setting. This often clears temporary glitches. If the error persists after these steps, it might indicate a more serious issue, like a defective sensor or wiring problem. In that case, contact Maytag customer support or a certified technician to avoid further damage. There you have it. Simple steps to tackle error code 2H and keep your washing machine running smoothly. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.